Hello everyone. This thing I want to share for you people now. It take me 5 years for me to observe this and to know this. 9 habits that keeps you broke. 9 habits that keeps you broke. Listen very attentively. Number 1, sleeping more than 8 hours a night keeps somebody broke. Number 2, wasting time on things that don't pay. Number 3, you fear taking risk. You fear taking risks, so you stay comfortable in one uncomfortable place. You try to impress people instead of making investments in yourself. Instead of working on yourself, we are trying to impress people. You work for money instead of making money work for you. You complain about job but never learn new skills. You complain about job but never learn new skills. You scroll on social media for hours but never create content. You say money is not important, money is not everything, but you stress on paying your bills. You chase short-time pleasure and ignore long-time wealth.